Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hi. What are you talking so much about? I love you. Love you, Pumpkin.